Hello everyone, I am Vijay, your yoga teacher from Ardent Progressive School, Haldwani, Labachar. Dear students, I hope you are all healthy, happy and enjoying life at your homes. Today we are going to do two important asanas. They are very important and also easy. You will do it with me. The names of these two asanas are Gomukhasana and Vajrasana. First we will do the Gomukhasana. It is also known as cow face pose in English, and the Vajrasana, it is also known as diamond pose or thunderbolt pose. So we will start with Gomukhasana. For Gomukhasana, first we come in Dandasana. Dandasana is the starting position for the Gomukhasana. Now fold your left leg. Place the heel of the left foot under the right hip. Fold the right foot, it will come above and its heel should touch to the hip. Adjust your legs, knee should be above the knee. After that you have to interlock hand from the back side. Take your right arm behind your back from above and left arm from below so that fingers of both the hands are interlocked behind the back. Keep your eyes closed. The above hand will touch to your ears. Keep your eyes closed and do the normal breathing. Dear students, this posture resembles to cow's face. So its name is cow's face posture, or we call it Gomukhasana. Go means cow and Mukh means face. So this is cow's face posture. After some time, we will open the asana. First we will open our hands, then we will open our legs one by one. First we will open the leg that is above, then we will open the leg that is below, and again we will sit in Dandasana by spreading our legs in front. Now we will do this asana from the other side. We will change the hands and the legs position. पहले हम राइट लेग को फोल्ड करेंगे और उसकी हील को लेफ्ट हिप के नीचे को रखेंगे. फिर लेफ्ट लेग को फोल्ड करेंगे और उसकी हील को भी हिप से टच कराएंगे. राइट नी के ऊपर लेफ्ट नी है, एक के ऊपर एक नी है. फिर हम लेफ्ट हैंड को पीछे को ले जाएंगे और राइट हैंड को नीचे की तरफ से पीछे को लाएंगे और दोनों को पीछे इंटरलॉक कर लेंगे और आंखें बंद करके नॉर्मल ब्रीथिंग करेंगे. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो लेग ऊपर है उसी तरफ का हाथ ऊपर की तरफ से पीछे को जाता है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस आसना प्रोवाइड्स स्ट्रेंथ एंड वाइटलिटी टू आवर नीज, शोल्डर्स एंड फीट. इट हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग द स्पाइन इरेक्ट एंड स्ट्रेट. This asana is excellent for our lungs and it also helps in removal of the lungs disorders. Almost after 1 minute we will open the asana. First we will open the hands, then we will open the legs. First the above leg, then the below leg. Then both the legs will be spread forward. So we have come in starting position, that is Dandasana. Now we will relax the knees in Dandasana. In Dandasana, while relaxing, we open the legs, we keep our hands little back and head over one of the shoulder. Now you can relax your body and the knees. After relaxing in Dandasana, we will come again in the starting position and we will do the asana one more time. The starting position is the Dandasana. Bend your one leg and bring its heel below the hip on the other side. Then bend the other leg and keep it above. With the help of the hands, you can adjust your legs. Knee is above the knee. Then lift the right hand and bend it back and take the left hand behind the back to hold the right hand. Keep the neck and back straight. We can remain in this position for 1 minute and this asana is very good for health. It also proves beneficial in proper functioning of the nervous system and the heart. While opening the asana, first we will open the hands and then we will open the legs one by one. First, the above leg will be opened, then the below leg will be opened, and we will come in Dandasana by spreading the legs in front and keeping the hands on the sides. अब हम हाथ और पांव बदल के इस आसन को दूसरी तरफ से करेंगे। पहले अब राइट लेग को मोड़ेंगे और उसको हिप्स के पास रखेंगे या हिप्स के नीचे रखेंगे। उसके बाद लेफ्ट लेग को ऊपर को लाके मोड़ेंगे और उसको भी हिप्स से टच कराएंगे। नीज के ऊपर नीज रहेगा। हाथों से पाँव को एडजस्ट भी कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद जो नी अप है उस साइड का हाथ ऊपर को जाएगा। यहाँ लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर है तो लेफ्ट हैंड पीछे को गया ऊपर की तरफ से और नीचे की तरफ से राइट हैंड आया। फिर दोनों हैंड्स को इंटरलॉक किया। अपर आर्म हमारे कान को टच करेंगे, आंखें बंद करेंगे, कमर गर्दन और सर सीधा रखेंगे और नॉर्मल ब्रीथिंग लेते हुए इसमें रहेंगे। हमारा चेस्ट एक्सपेंड हो रहा है, लंग्स की हेल्थ अच्छी बन रही है, पोर्स खुल रहे हैं, उसमें हमारी ऑक्सीजन टेकिंग कैपेसिटी अच्छी बन रही है। दिस आसना मेक्स आवर लेग्स, knees, arms, shoulders stronger. After doing the asana, we will open the asana. First, we will open the hands. After that, we will open the legs. First, we will open the above leg, and after that, we will open the leg that is below. And we will bring the legs in front, and palms are kept inside. This is Dandasana, and we will relax in Dandasana. For that, we will open our leg and keep our hands little back. Head will be kept over one of the shoulder and we will relax our knees and the body. This Gomukha Asana helps in toning up the lungs and the heart. Now we have learned the Gomukha Asana and now we will learn the Vajrasana. For Vajrasana also, first we will come in Dandasana by spreading the legs in front and hands on the sides, palms on the ground. Here we are folding both the legs one by one and we are keeping the feet under the hips in such a way that both the heels are outwards and the toes are touching the hips. In the back, both the big toes will touch each other, hands will be near the knees and your head, neck and head will be in one line and you will close your eyes. You will do the normal breathing and try that there should be no thought inside your mind. Observe the silence, peacefulness and the calmness in this position. In English, Vajrasana is called thunderbolt pose or the diamond pose. Before opening the asana, we will do palming in our eyes and after the palming, we can open the eyes. We will do 2 times palming on the eyes. After that, we will open our legs one by one and come in the Vajrasana again by spreading the legs in front and keeping the hands on the sides, palms touching to the ground. अब हम एक बार और वज्रासन करेंगे। इस बार थोड़ी सी टेक्निक में अंदर लाएंगे। लेफ्ट साइड को हाथ का सपोर्ट लिया और दूसरी तरफ से दोनों पाँव को एक साथ नीचे की तरफ ले गए हिप्स में और वज्रासन में बैठ गए। हमारे हील्स बाहर की तरफ को हैं पीछे को और टोस अंदर की तरफ को हैं। बिग टोस आपस में टच करेंगे। हाथों को नीज के पास रखेंगे। हमारी गर्दन, सर और पीठ एक लाइन में होता है। आंखें बंद रहती हैं। When the asana is completed, we will do palming on the eyes. Before opening the eyes, we will rub the hands and make our palms warm and we will bring the palms to eyes and then after the palming, we will open the eyes and now we can open the asana. We are taking the support from the left side and opening both the legs together. After the Vajrasana, for relaxing the knees, we can do relaxation in Dandasana. For relaxation in Dandasana, we will open our legs. Hands will be on the sides, palms on the ground, little back side, and head will be over one of our shoulder, and we will relax the knees and the body. After the relaxation, we will come in starting position again. Now one more time we will do it. We will fold our legs one by one and see that heels are towards the outside and toes towards the inside, and big toes will touch each other. Vajrasana is the only asana that can be done after the meal. If you sit in this asana for 10 minutes immediately after the food will be digested well. Vajrasana removes the disorders related to digestion. Vajrasana helps in making the knees quite strong, steady and hard, and this asana also proves quite effective in making one's spine firm and strong. This asana is good for memory and concentration. It is meditative asana. It helps in keeping the mind stable. This asana also relieves the pain of the knees. After a few minutes, we can open the asana, or when our knees start paining, we can come out of the asana. Before opening the eyes, we will do palming on the eyes by rubbing the hands and taking to the eyes. This Vajrasana cures the indigestion, acidity, gas formation and the constipation. It is very good for our stomach and our back. It makes our back strong. In the end, by opening the legs, we come in Dandasana again, and we can do relaxation for the knees in the Dandasana. In Dandasana, we do relaxation by opening the legs and keeping the head over one of the shoulder. Vajrasana is the only asana that we can do after taking our meal, and it is very good for digestion. So we should do it after taking the meal. It is the only asana that can be done after the meal. After taking your meal, you can do it for 5 to 15 minutes and it will be very much beneficial. This yoga session is over. Stay healthy, stay blessed and do yoga at home.